Okay, real talk. If you're tired of hearing the same recycled advice about passive income like start a blog, or build an app, or launch an AI-powered platform that you have no idea how to code, this is for you. Today, I want to show you 5 real ways regular people are earning passive income right now in 2026. No gurus, no get-rich-quick fluff. Just simple, working strategies that real people are using to build real money, on the side or full-time. Let's go. 1. Rent out storage space. Got a garage, attic, or spare room doing nothing? You're sitting on a passive income stream. Platforms like Neighbor.com let you list that extra space for people nearby who just need room to store stuff, seasonal gear, old furniture, boxes they can't keep in their apartment. Think about it. You're not hosting guests, there's no cleanup, and once you meet the person and hand over a key or access, it's done. You're just collecting rent from someone's boxes. Quiet, boring, predictable income. Depending on your area, you could charge between $50 to $300 a month per renter. People with large garages or basements split them into sections and rent to multiple people, making $600 to $1,000 per month with barely any effort. You don't need to live in a city either. If there's demand and you have space, you've got income waiting. 2. Sublease with permission. Subleasing has a bad reputation, mostly because people do it wrong. But if you do it the right way, with clear written permission from your landlord, it can be one of the smartest low-effort income streams out there. Let's say you rent a 3-bedroom apartment in a busy area for $2,100 per month. You live in one room. You rent out the other 2 for $950 each. Not only is your rent covered, you're now making an extra $800 per month. That's $800 per month you didn't have to work extra hours for. Best part? You're already paying rent. You're just getting others to chip in. It's especially powerful if you target areas near universities, hospitals, or tech parks. Transient workers, traveling nurses, and students are always looking for short-term affordable rentals. And if you set this up with professionalism and clear rules, you're running your own little mini rental business. A lot of people do this even while living with family. They rent a small 1-bedroom apartment and sublease it entirely, pocketing the difference while living rent-free elsewhere. 3. Sell simple digital products. Digital products might sound overhyped, but the key is to keep it stupidly simple and solve a very real, boring problem. We're talking budget planners, freelancer invoice templates, wedding checklists, spreadsheets, weekly meal planners, job application tracking sheets, home renovation calculators. These sell incredibly well on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and even Notion template markets. Make them in Canva or Google Sheets, export a PDF or link, create a simple thumbnail, write a clear description, and you're live. That's it. The platform handles delivery and payment. You don't need to be a graphic designer or a marketing expert. If your product solves a small headache for someone, they'll gladly pay $5 to $15. The goal is volume. A good product with strong keywords can sell 5 to 10 times a day. That's up to $1,500 per month. And yes, this works globally. People in Canada, the UK, Australia, and beyond are buying these templates every single day. And once it's up, sales are passive. 4. Cashback plus bank bonuses. Stack the free money. This one sounds boring, and honestly, it kind of is, but it works. And once you set it up, it runs in the background. Start with a good 2% cashback card. Put all your fixed bills on it, subscriptions, groceries, gas, utilities. Then, if you have trusted family or roommates, offer to pay their recurring bills too. They reimburse you. You get the points. With $4,000 per month flowing through your card, that's $80 per month in pure cashback. Now stack welcome bonuses. New cards often offer $200 to $500 just for spending $1,000 to $3,000 in 3 months. Sign up for 3 to 4 cards per year, meet the minimums carefully, and cancel before the annual fee hits. Add bank account sign-up bonuses to the mix. Banks are desperate for new customers, so they'll pay you $250 to $400 to deposit $1,000 and leave it for 90 days. With a little tracking and discipline, this adds up to $2,000 plus per year, tax-free in most cases. 5. Rent out what you own and didn't think was valuable. Let's talk about licensing and renting out everyday stuff. People are making money letting film crews shoot in their retro kitchens. Others rent out their backyard for dog parties on SniffSpot, or lease driveway space for event parking on Spacer. Got a pickup truck? Use Turo or Getaround. Got a unique interior space? Offer it to photographers or local video productions. Even weird things like vintage couches, old video games, or quirky decor can be rented out for set design. Your home, your stuff, your car, your yard, it's all monetizable with a little creativity. And unlike Airbnb, this doesn't require constant management. You set availability, communicate once, and cash in. Wrap up. You don't need all 5. Start with 1. The key is taking action, not just watching videos. Passive income isn't magic. It's stacking small wins that add up. Like the video? Hit like. Want more? Subscribe. And if you're ready to start building your future, grab the free Coinbase link below. See you in the next one. Hand waving.